I found an interesting sling bag. Or is it? What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I have this bag right here, and it's a sling bag. And what you can see is we have some rings right here at the top, so I can clip on the strap and throw it over my shoulder like a sling bag. But is it more than that? Just like me. Am I more than what I appear to be? The answer, at least in the case of the bag, is yes. For me, I don't know. But what I want to show you here is this is a really nice looking bag. You can see it is actually by AGLAUS. I think that's maybe how you pronounce it. We have kind of this leather strip up here and then ballistic nylon. And what you can see is it's kind of your standard size for being a sling. But this thing is pretty interesting. So first of all, I want to show you here that there is a zipper right here on the bottom, and I can run the zipper all the way around to where we started. And now if I take this bag and pull it just like this, oh, no longer a sling bag. It's a full-on duffel bag, and this is a no compromises duffel bag. So first of all, when you open it up like this, you might say, well, Pete, it doesn't have a lot of shape. But what you might be able to see inside here is we have this little panel that will fold down and give this bag a little bit more shape. And then on this side, we have another panel right here, and there is Velcro. So if I push that down, we give it a little more shape. And they will meet in the middle here and Velcro together, and that gives me a flat and rigid bottom, all right? So now we have a little bit more structure to this 45-liter bag, and it's starting to look kind of like your standard athletic duffel bag. So 45 liters is pretty big. If I had a backpack this big when I was a kid, I could carry everything that I wanted, including a Dutch oven. Now I also want to show you inside the bag. On this side right here, we have a little net pocket, so we can put stuff in there. But on this side, what we have here is a pouch. You can see a couple air holes here because this is actually for your shoes. Now, you might say, Peter, there's this fabric right there. So if I push this in, you can see it goes almost the whole length of the bag. But this material is impermeable, kind of waterproof. Now I can take this pair of shoes that I've been working out in, maybe roaming around in, maybe they're a little muddy, and I can put them in here, and it's not going to mess up anything in the bag. So you can see, obviously, I've got a ton of space in here. I feel like I could put at least 3 pairs of shoes, but just 1 pair of shoes works just fine as well. Or boots if you have big feet. And now, obviously, this will kind of compress down, so you're not wasting a lot of space. You know, the shoes are separated, and you can get them out easily without adulterating any of the other stuff that is in your bag. So that's pretty nice. Inside here, we also have a couple pockets up here, kind of your standard duffel bag fare. On the top side here with the flap, we also have a big zippered pocket, so you can keep stuff separated in there, especially if you're using this for an overnighter. You can put your dirty clothes in there, keep them separated from your clean clothes. Now I'm gonna pull open the top here, and we have another mesh pocket right up here, so you can keep toiletries or anything separate that you wanted up there. And now I'm gonna go ahead and close the top here, because I wanna give you a tour around the outside. All right, so on the end, opposite of the shoes, what we have here is a pocket. So this goes down the full way. You can get stuff that you need easily here. Let's say your passport, your phone, your wallet, you can put all that stuff in there. On this side, we have a pocket down here. We also have a pocket right here. It might not be that easy to see because this bag is black, but this is a full length pocket on the outside. That'd be great for office supplies. And then on the reverse side, kind of a similar thing, full length zippered pocket. So stuff that you need quick access to, you can certainly get it there. We have 2 very robust handles, and then we also have a ballistic nylon wrap that would go around the middle here. And as I promised you at the very beginning, we have a shoulder strap. Mesh material right there that will make sure that it's nice and breathable. It's actually quite long too, like 12 inches. All metal hardware, FYI. A lot of these will have plastic hardware, plastic D-rings. This is like a black chrome, really nice. Nice matching black metal hardware here. So what I could do is I could go ahead and put the shoulder strap on those D-rings and carry this guy just like any other duffel bag, even throw it over my shoulder just like this, and definitely use it for an overnighter, a weekender. But what I want to show you here is I can take out the shoes, I can open up the inside, separate these 2 bottom panels again, push them up to the sides, collapse this back down, line up the zipper back with the track here, then zip it back up all the way around one more time. And now what I can do is, because these little D-rings at the top, which I was using with the duffel bag and the strap, I can go ahead and connect it to one of these that I was using before. And then on the bottom, we actually have 2 more D-rings. So I can go ahead and connect it to one of these and then tighten up the strap. And then I can actually use this outside pocket, put stuff in there, or open up this larger pocket right here on the outside and put stuff in there. And then, as I was saying, throw this over my shoulder so that I have a sling bag at the ready here. So I can just carry it like this. You know, small things, it's not gonna get in the way. But if I have a lot of stuff, I can open this bad boy up, fill it with a ton of stuff, take it antiquing. I can go on vacation and buy myself some souvenirs, have more luggage capacity coming back than what I went with. So this AGLAUS bag is really fascinating because not only is it a very large, usable, high quality duffel bag, but if I don't have to fill it up with stuff, it is small and easy to carry as a sling. So I love the convertibility feature of this. So if you are looking for a great high quality duffel bag that has this feature because you might need it, I think this is the way to go. And it's not very expensive. So instead of buying a standard old school duffel that just does one thing, why don't you get a stylish, good duffel bag with a separate shoe compartment that converts into a sling backpack? I mean, this guy did. So if you want to pick this up, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out!
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever face.